All right, hello, welcome back to daily update, my 1000 day challenge. This is day 587, so let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, in terms of balance, what remains the same like what I mentioned. I'm not entering any trade right now, simply because as you look in terms of crypto right now, it's really rather choppy, especially both in terms of forward chart. And then if you're looking on the daily chart itself, I would say it's still rather in a consolidation pattern. So there isn't much of a strong trend right now if you're looking to trade on a 4-hour or daily time frame. But of course, if you're looking to trade, say, on the shorter time frame itself, perhaps potentially you could have looked for potential short over here or even over here as well yesterday, because it was potentially the resistance and also resistance region itself. So that's if you're trading on the shorter time frame. So for myself, as I trade mainly on the 4-hour and daily time frame for now, and I'm still reviewing the experimental trades that I'm on shorter time frame, so I'll be putting those shorter time frame trades on hold in that sense. All right, otherwise, nothing much about it. So as you can see today, we are still actually gapping further down. Yep, so overall, I would say that the China market definitely still looks to be bearish, or certainly more bearish if you compare the US stock market. So US stock market, as you can see in terms of percentage movement, not really that much. So let's see how things goes. Overall, I'm not exactly bullish or not exactly bearish in that sense. I would say rather neutral. So until for US market side of things, what I do want to see is a break of the downslope trend line over here. Until that has happened with a nice formation of a bullish market structure, which means a higher high and higher low, that could perhaps form a confirmation of a short-term bottom or even the long-term bottom itself. So until that taken place, I'm still leaning towards neutral to bearish territory for the US market. And then for Bitcoin itself, it's definitely still in the neutral territory. Although if we do break this trend right in conviction itself and then retest this and break this 35K as well, we could definitely see a very much stronger bear market, in which case we definitely revisit the 30K or even towards the 24K region itself. So let's see how things goes. But otherwise, I'm still leaning towards that we could still consolidate this for quite some period of time, as long as the US market do not make any drastic move, but potentially see that we could still be trending here very nicely as well. All right, so otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.